Ever wondered how laws are truly made and enforced in the UK? Understanding the difference between primary and delegated legislation is crucial for every citizen, student, and legal professional. This distinction shapes our rights, duties, and the very fabric of our society. Primary legislation refers to laws passed directly by the UK Parliament, commonly known as Acts of Parliament. These are the highest form of law, establishing broad principles and frameworks for the nation. They represent the supreme authority of our legislative body. These acts undergo rigorous scrutiny, involving multiple readings, debates, and committee stages in both houses of Parliament. This detailed process ensures comprehensive consideration before a law is enacted. Primary legislation sets the foundational legal framework, often leaving specific details to be filled in later. Examples include the Misuse of Drugs Act 1971, which outlines drug control, and the Equality Act 2010, consolidating anti-discrimination laws. The Human Rights Act 1998 also stands as a cornerstone, incorporating European Convention on Human Rights into UK law. These acts form the bedrock of our legal system. Delegated, or secondary, legislation is law made by an individual or body under powers granted by an Act of Parliament. It's also known as statutory instruments, orders, or regulations. This mechanism allows for practical implementation of broader parliamentary directives. Parliament delegates authority to government ministers or departments to create more detailed rules. This process offers efficiency, enabling technical updates or urgent changes without requiring a new act. It ensures the legal framework remains adaptable and responsive. While subject to less parliamentary scrutiny than primary legislation, it comes in various forms like statutory instruments and regulations. For instance, COVID-19 regulations were rapidly introduced via statutory instruments using powers from the Public Health, Control of Disease, Act 1984. This highlights its role in swift governance. Primary legislation establishes the overarching legal framework and grants necessary powers. Delegated legislation then meticulously fills in the operational details, adapting to new circumstances and facilitating urgent adjustments. This symbiotic relationship ensures both stability and flexibility in our legal system. Parliament retains ultimate control, capable of amending or revoking the enabling act. Many forms of delegated legislation also require parliamentary approval or can be annulled. This balance safeguards democratic oversight while allowing for efficient governance. Understanding this interplay is vital for law students, legal professionals, and the general public. It clarifies how laws impact daily life and how our government functions. This knowledge empowers informed civic engagement and professional practice. Now that you understand the fundamental difference between primary and delegated legislation, delve deeper into specific laws that affect you. Explore government websites, parliamentary records, and legal resources to see these principles in action. Share this knowledge to foster greater civic awareness and strengthen our collective understanding of UK law.